Piss on you.
Hi folks, it's Frank. Polishin Fer Dummies. Fluffy. We'll go ahead and get her in here so that way she's not mad at us for the rest of the week because we didn't do one with her. There's Anita. Buff McKnuckles. Hoss. Man. Big.
That was one big one.
I hope y'all got that because I'm that far. Do that again. Big. Hoss. Did y'all get that one? All right. It's raining here today in Tennessee, and we're waiting on a bus to get back from CMA Fest downtown. And so this is Evan Steger's last day here in full day of polishing, and in the south, huh?
Straight like south.
And so we're bored and we're sitting here, and we pulled an eagle off a bus. And Greg King, you're gonna be proud. Watch it.
Let's make sure you're getting it.
Hammering away at it, ain't he, Greg? Making it purty. Crap. Evan and Purdy. That's not bad at all, huh? It put a little shine in it, bird, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, good on you, man. Good on you. Yeah, and see, look, Greg. See, I got a little buffer too, and mine ain't a Fisher Price. Right there, buddy. You and your Fisher Price jokes. We still love you, Greg. Please don't take offense to the bird I just gave you, because I do love you. So anyway, Evan's standing it.
Let me say, I'm a little out of my comfort here.
That could just be because he's 6'7" and the polishing machine is all the way down here, and he's, you know, way up here having to reach down like this. And so we came up with something new this week while Evan's been here. And it's something we're going to start doing on Polishin Fer Dummies. Is when we do something really good and it's just all working out. Hold the camera.
Oh boy.
We do something really good. Go ahead to back up. We'll have our face mask on. Down a little. Down a little. No, tilt the camera down a little. Anyway.
Down where?
Right there. Stop. So when something's going good and everything is where it should be and that part is nice and finished. Wait a minute, I got to plug. Brian's Motorsports. Custom wheels and tires in Nashville, Tennessee. Brian's Motorsports. Little subliminal plug for you there, my friend. Anyway, so we got something really good going on. We polished it and it looks good. And we're just going to stop from now on PFD, and we're going to go with the Evan polishing wood. Right there, when you see it, that's when you know it's been Stegerized.
I'm giving away all my trade secrets.
I'm not giving away your trade secrets. I'm just giving away your polishing wood. That sounded a lot worse than it was. Hey, Tammy, just don't even pay attention to that one, okay? This is producer Pete talking now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't control Frank. Anyway, so we got the polishing wood, and we got good on ya, man. Good on ya. That's fantastic. You're in the mellow, man. You're in the zone. You found your mellow.
Leave it alone, you hose bag.
You hoser.
I got tired of listening to Peter. No, go away.
Anita hates me.
Go away.
Frank, Goose and Anita in 3.
No!
Alright, we're talking.
I'm not ticklish. No! 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 Don't! I've already got one big welt.
Is that what they call it nowadays, eh?
No.
Wow.
Trying to get me out of here a day earlier.
No! We're trying to keep you here. We're just waiting on the bus to get in. That right there is a bronze eagle. That is bronze. That's solid bronze, come off of an old Eagle bus, and I kind of robbed the part off a bus out here by the shop. I hate you. And anyway, so I took it off because me and Evan were talking about bronze last night, and I was like telling him how soft it was, and I sanded some of it. It gets hot, son. Watch out. I sanded some of it, and he's like, yeah, it's like butter. He's just like rubbing his fingers. It's like butter, man. I was like, metal is like butter. Oh, another thing we learned this week is how a living metal versus a non-living metal. I didn't know aluminum
It's a living metal.
lived and breathed and existed on its own plane of fiery love. Shut up! I'm not Mandy's ex-boyfriend. Oh yeah, I went there.
Can't put that on YouTube.
Why not? He don't watch the videos.
Not him.
Well, he don't know which ex-boyfriend. That could be an ex-boyfriend from 10 years ago. Anita's had a lot of ex-boyfriends. She's had a couple that have turned gay. I don't know if it's, I'm just saying. Not that there's anything wrong with that. We like our gay fans. Hi. But, gonna make it party. Nice and party. Oh, get some, girlfriend. Can you polish up my heels? Oh, that stainless, that mirror. I can do my hair. I can get my pedi and my mani and my hair did. And, all right, back to Anita. Buffing the claw.
That could go so many different directions.
I could go a lot of different directions. So another thing we picked up, I'll put another video up, the first video we did without Anita. She's still, I hate her camera skills. She's still mad at me for that one. Anyway, I'm not going to spoil the other video, but all I'll say is, Das Compound? Ja? Sprechen Sie Russisch? I just spit all over Anita's hand. I thought it was funny. Hoss man just had a thought, but then he turned away from it.
You go polish that some machine time today?
One of these days.
You know what? Come here, big boy. Mwah.
No.
Hey, would that be considered a bro job? No, not at all.
It sucks a lot of rouge.
Yeah. You want to try a different one?
Well, it sucks a lot of room. Makes it close a lot.
That was so nice.
I ain't got nothing. I'll edit that one, but I ain't got nothing to do with that one. Holy crap! Three parts.
Really soaks up a lot of rouge.
He's gonna laugh and slip, and that bird's gonna go slinging across the shop, and it's gonna hit his foot, and then he's gonna be mad at me on the drive home. Try some white.
Can't hurt it.
This one?
warm, so
You,
it's...
you want to put some red on it?
No,
like
you
one-
do it with the red.
Is it just the bronze that you want it? It seems like you don't want to get it too hot because then it almost melts together.
Yeah.
I mean,
Hey, Pete. Oh, another way to do that one.
Hey, that was so hard.
There's a lot to this video. I'm probably going to have to edit out. We're starting to get back to that old show that we used to have. I don't know. Oh dear.
yeah, see, that's not soaking up half the wood.
Well, I told you, light's going to be a little bit kinder on it. Go away, Fluffy. Now you really want to destroy yourself?
Oh, I guess.
Try and get the edges.
I'd swing it. I can't. I wouldn't be able to stand it. I tried doing the bottom edge here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I give Greg King and those guys a ton of credit because there's no way I could pull that off.
You hear that, Greg? Ton of credit. We love you. Oh, and congratulations, Greg. That 2 months, I saw that post. Congrats, man.
2 months. Absolutely, brother.
Good on you, eh?
You're not a hoser anymore in our book, man. We also want to give a shout out to our man Ams down in Orlando, Florida. Or Kissimmee or Kissimmee or whatever he's kissing. Hell, I don't know.
Y'all do realize it's not AMS, it's AMS.
I know, but he's been calling him AMS, and I just got used to it, and I was like, well, you know.
AMS.
I know it's AMS, but that sounds a little too close to PMS, and I don't want to go there.
It's AMS. He's
So anyway,
The MS too, and if he gets that shit, he won't be able to hold a buffer.
right there. It ain't even warm. I didn't do that. I didn't touch it. That's all. That guy. Rock out with your bird out. I know it didn't fly, but anyway, Ams, because you do this kind of stuff all day long, good on you.
not far enough north for the A.
We've been giving him crap all week long about which really we ought to be, because Stefan's going to get a hold of this video and go, yeah, you polished out the bird, Yeah, it looks good, Now maybe you get one of them tankers, and big tankers. You know, we polish, with the tankers. Y'all remember that 30-minute video? With the polishing and the tankers,
You're gonna smack him in the freaking head.
Won't be the first thing he smacked this week.
Wow.
Whoa.
You just got to bring up old shit, don't you?
Sorry.
Peter looks funny.
So anyway, I'll tell you what, Evan decided that, y'all saw that. There you go.
I can't see it.
Y'all saw that from the other video. Well, Evan decided that looks like a particular appendage of the male anatomy that I will now be scarred with.
He polished a pecker on his leg.
Anita's getting popped. Anita's getting popped. Yes, she is.
she's
Anita's
not.
getting popped.
No, she's
Anita's getting popped.
She's
I
not.
hate Anita. She's got, yeah. All right, we're going to have to stop because I ain't got much battery left. This is Frank.
Ow!
Anita. You got to show everybody. Fluffy, give me this.
I'm ringing.
Hoss, man, you got to turn around and do it. Big, Hoss, and our good friend, Evan.
Hey?
Coming in for the pan.
No.
Now you gotta help me with the signature Frank ending. The
Oh no.
huh? No.